Has this ever happened to you? You go to watch your favorite VHS tape, but the picture has terrible quality. Or maybe it's even nice enough to tell you the problem outright. Communication is important, folks. But never fear, SpenCertified is here to walk you through how to clean your VCR heads and get your picture looking like new. For this simple fix, you only need 3 things: a screwdriver or drill, a piece of paper, and isopropyl alcohol. We recommend 99.9% if you have it. If not, 70% or higher will work. First, eject your tape, unplug it, and unhook the connections. No need to cause an electrical fire if you don't have to. Next, use your screwdriver or drill to take out the screws that's holding the top in place. Depending on the model, your VCR's top panel will have screws in the back, sides, or bottom. Once you take the cover off, grab your piece of paper. Something like printer paper works great. If you know a bit of origami, make it into a football. You know, like the flick football Tony Stark and Nebula played in Endgame. If you don't know how to make one, don't worry. Just fold it in half a couple of times hot dog style. And take your isopropyl alcohol and spray the end of the piece of paper a few times. Hold the paper against the video head, which is this large silver drum. Then take your finger and spin the head around. No, not your head, the VCRs. As you can see, the sprayed paper picks up the dirt and grime. We recommend spraying the other side of the paper and doing it again. Keep doing it until the paper comes back mostly clean. Depending on how dirty the head is, you may have to repeat this several times. Now we're just going to give this one a quick test. We're hooking up the video and audio connections, then plugging the power cord in. After turning it on, let's insert a VHS tape. And now, success! The picture is crisp and clear. Now let's put it back together. The top panel slides into place, and the screws are sent back to whence they came. Eventually. And that's it! You'll be surprised by the difference that regularly cleaning your VCR's heads will make. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!